What's up guys, welcome back to another video. In this video I'll be showing you guys how to quickly tell if your Nintendo Switch is patched or not. What you will be doing is putting your serial number, the serial number of your Switch, into a database, and based on the serial number it can tell you if your Nintendo Switch is patched or not. It can also tell you if it is possible patch. If it's possible patch, that means that you will have to do something more rigorous to determine if your Nintendo Switch is patched or not. But you are in luck because I did a video recently, well, a few months ago, covering that. I will leave the link for that in the description. So if your Nintendo Switch system is possible patch, you can go ahead and follow that tutorial. It's pretty simple, and it doesn't it won't harm your Switch, or you would not get banned for doing the tutorial. So you can go ahead and do it yeah, as soon as possible. And that is if your switch is possible patch, because what it does, it tells you if your switch is patch, it tells you if it's not patch, or it tells you if it's possible patch. So what you want to do, you want to go to launch your browser, and in the URL you want to type in is my switch patched.com. Enter. I will leave the link for this in the tutorial. So it asks you for the prefix and the serial digits. Now this information is located at the bottom left corner of your Nintendo Switch. That's left of where the charging port is. And my prefix is XAW1. And then you enter the first 6 digit that follows that. And for me it's gonna be 0021557, and it will do some check and tell you your console is not patched. Hooray. So based on that, it tells me that my Nintendo Switch is not patched. Wow, and I did not know that. I did not know that my Switch was not patched. Interesting. Yeah, that's pretty much it. So what you guys can do from that is, as I said, it will tell you if it's patched or not. Let me go ahead and try another switch so you guys can see if it gives different information. Alright, so another switch that I have, the serial number is XAW4 and the code is 0015380. Whoa, stop there. Your console is possible patch. So one of my Nintendo Switch is not patch, and the other it says your console is possible patch. So based on this possible patch, then I would have to do the tutorial, a more rigorous tutorial in order to determine if the switch is patched. And as I said, I have done that video, that tutorial already, so you guys can go ahead and check it out if you get this report that your console is possible patch. Yeah, thank you guys very much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bless.